Welcome. If you want to use one-handed mode in your Xiaomi Mi 10, first you have to enter the settings. Right now we have to scroll down, enter the additional settings, and right here we can find the one-handed mode. And as you can see, it's turned on. And to enter the one-hand mode, we have to swipe from the left or the right from the home button. But as you can see, we don't have the home button. So right now we have to go back and click on the full screen display and turn on the buttons. And when we go back to our one-handed mode, right now we can really easy turn it on. If you want to exit the one-hand mode, we have to close the dark arena outside. And if you want to open it on the left side, you swipe to the left or to the right side. And that's how it looks, guys. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.